11 Live News at noon starts now.
We start with day 2 of the trial to determine whether Georgia can continue to ban abortions as early as 6 weeks. 11 Live's Bobeth Yates was in the courtroom and joins us now with more. What stood out to you, Bobeth?
Well, it really was a packed courtroom as those on both sides listened to testimony breaking down the care a pregnant woman receives and the viability of pregnancies. And now one of the key points is being considered is if the state's new abortion law constitutionally restricts the care providers can provide. Now, attorneys from both sides questions physicians about the risk of pregnancy and when an abortion is warranted. The defense defending the current law, which bans most abortions once a human heartbeat is detected. And since cardiac activity is detected as early as 6 weeks into a pregnancy, critics say the law results in a ban of most abortions in the state before a woman even knows they're pregnant. But the plaintiff says the law is too restrictive and they're asking the judge to reconsider.
So I counsel and would offer that. My concern is that if I was in a court and it was up to a jury or a DA to determine if it was necessary, that it is not clear where that line may be and that I could be at risk of prosecution or one of my colleagues.
Now, that's one of the key points that a lot of the people inside that are supporting the removal of this ban was in favor for. They're saying that doctors just don't know where that line is, and they're wanting help and clarification, and if not, a full repeal of this law. Now, the proceedings are still in progress, and we won't know exactly what the results of this is yet. We're told that testimony will continue throughout today, and then after that, that both sides of this issue will have an opportunity to send a written brief to the judge who will later make a decision. But of course, we'll continue to update you and follow this progress all the way. Sending it back to you right now.
All right, interesting to hear the doctor's perspective, Bobeth. Thank you. We are streaming the trial right now. If you would like to follow along with all the latest developments, go to 11live.com or you can watch it on our YouTube page.